Welcome to PPP Today. On today's program, we examine a troubling wave of flooding that has affected multiple parts of the world, from Nigeria's northeast and north central to northern India and Vietnam. These incidents, though separated by distance, reflect a shared vulnerability to extreme weather events. We begin at home. In Nigeria, communities across Benue and Adamawa states are once again dealing with the aftermath of seasonal flooding. Heavy rainfall over the past week has submerged homes, farmlands, and public infrastructure, leaving many residents displaced. Local officials report that the damage is extensive. In parts of Nigeria, flash floods have washed away roads and bridges, compounding transportation and economic challenges. Emergency management agencies are urging people in low-lying areas to evacuate as more rainfall is expected. In India, the northern city of Prayagraj is facing its worst flood situation in recent years. The Ganga and Yamuna rivers have both risen beyond their danger levels, submerging more than 15,000 homes.
The cremation grounds are underwater. We had to perform last rites for my father on the roadside. It was deeply distressing.
We lost everything in a matter of hours, our livestock, our home. We only managed to save our children.
We have identified over 40 sensitive areas. Rescue and relief operations are in full swing.
In Vietnam, flash floods and landslides in the northern provinces have killed at least 14 people and left several more missing. The situation has been worsened by continuous rain and unstoppable terrain, complicating rescue operations. Entire communities remain cut off, and search and rescue teams are working around the clock to locate survivors and provide aid. The scale and frequency of these flood events across continents are prompting renewed calls for improved infrastructure, urban planning, and climate adaptation strategies. From Nigeria to South and Southeast Asia, the need for coordinated action is becoming increasingly urgent.